It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.